Okay, today is a video. I'm just going to show you really simply how I do a look for every day, and it might seem redundant, but here it is. So I'm just going to start off with moisturizing the face first. Now, with this look, I did do it the other day, and I did receive a few compliments on the fact that my skin looked really flawless, and it is all due to this one foundation that I have been using. It was gifted to me by a friend, so I will show you what that is soon. I'm firstly going to prime my face with the Essence Good Stuff, Hello Good Stuff, and this is the Glow Serum Primer. Just going to do about 4 drops of that and rub that into the skin and down the neck. Now I do have a little pimple that's come up, and I did squeeze it this morning. I'm going to run the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel by Essence in the shade Blonde, through my brows, just to give a bit of definition and just to sort of make it a little bit more neater than they are. It's very light. I mean, if you have eyebrows similar shade to mine, which is sort of like a cool ash brown, then this does work wonders. Now that the Glow Serum Primer has sunk into the skin, it's time to go in with the foundation. Now, the one that I have been getting a lot of compliments on, and I never ever thought that I would ever have this foundation, it's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. This is in the shade Tawny. I'm just giving it a bit of a shake. Now, the thing with this foundation is you do need to apply more than you think you need to, because the thing is it sinks in so quickly, but it is a medium to full coverage foundation, and I use it under my eyes as well for concealer. Now, I'm using the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to blend that foundation in. I must say, the thing with this foundation is it does kind of smell like paint, but it doesn't remain on the face. And just put the remaining excess foundation over the eyelids. And for lips today, I'm going to be using the Chantecaille Lip Chic in the shade Passiflora. It's just a really nice neutral pink. It really is a beautiful glossy lipstick. Okay, now it's time to complete. Okay, now it's time to do the eyes and the face. So with a bronzing brush, I'm using my favorite bronzing powder that I've been using lately. It's by Hourglass. Sorry about the reflection. It is very reflective here. But it's the Ambient Lighting Bronzer in the shade Diffused Bronze Light. I'm just using the Mr. Right Too Faced bronzing brush just to dip into that bronzer, and I'm bronzing the face. And with this foundation by Estee Lauder, I find that I don't need to powder. Nothing under the eyes, nothing on the face. Now, if you wanted to, you could definitely go ahead and do a little bit of powdering, but I find that with this foundation, it just sets and there's no need for it. Bit on the nose, a little bit on the forehead, and a little bit under the chin, under the jawline, and down the neck. So this bronzer is like a chiseling, contouring bronzer in one. Now, still using this compact and using the Sephora Pro All Over brush number 12. I'm running the brush just underneath the deeper shade of that bronzer there, tapping off the excess and running that all over the lid up to the brow bone. just picking up a little bit more bronzer and just defining the outer edge of the eye a little bit for a little bit of something more. Now with the Sigma E30 pencil brush, I'm dipping into those deeper tones of that bronzer there as well. Really working the brush in. We're going to line the lower lash line. Now just using a brown eyeliner, this one here is by Wayne Goss, it's in the shade Amber. I'm just going to line the upper waterline. By doing this trick where you line the upper waterline, it does give the illusion of thicker lashes. And then we line the lower waterline. And then we can just do a little wing. I'm extending it from the bottom lash line out and joining it to the corner of the top lash line. And then with a small little detail brush, I'm just smudging that upwards and outwards. Just so it elongates the eyes a little bit. And now what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to pause the video. I'm going to be using lashings of mascara using the Natio Precision Tubing Mascara, top and bottom lashes. And that completes the look for every day. Get rid of that little smudge mark there from the mascara, because once it's dry it kind of flakes off. It tends to work better with a cotton bud sometimes. This is a close-up of the skin.